Everyone, this is a repair of a Vtech Baby monitor that is not properly charging, so I plugged it in. You can see that the red light comes on, but then it all of a sudden goes off. So if you wiggle it, the light goes back on, but it will not remain on. You have to do some wiggling. So let's repair this. The very first thing to do is flip it over and remove the battery that's at the back. Also remove the two screws at the bottom, which I've already done. Go around the outside. Carefully remove the front screen part, which is just plastic. You don't have to worry, there's no cables. Just putting that away. Then the buttons to the side, and remember the correct orientation of the buttons because you'll have to put them in the same position when you use it. Now we can remove the LCD, carefully lift it up, and flip it over. There are some cables on the bottom, so be careful not to damage them. Identify the charging port. You can see the charging port here. As I push it down, there's actually a very slight movement at those 5 pins at the very back. That's the issue, so we need to resolder this. I'm applying some flux so that when I use the soldering iron, the solder that's already there will refuse to those pins. I have my soldering iron at 350 degrees and going on each of those pins to reconnect them.